Hey creators, are you tired of the same old Midjourney prompt? Want to elevate your artwork without breaking the bank? No problem. Today I'm revealing an amazing free AI image generator that will be blowing your mind. And you can see these images right now that I generated using this free AI tool only. So say goodbye to the limitation and hello to endless creativity with this free AI image generator, Piclumen. So come to their website piclumen.com, or you can also come to this website by clicking a link in the description. And once you come up here, you can read about it. Free AI image generator, pick the future with the Piclumen. And the best part I liked about this AI image generator that it gives you a very simple interface where you can easily generate the image from the scratch, and even you get many kind of template that are being created by different other creator and users on this platform. Okay, so what you have to do, you need to click on generate for free. Now here first you need to sign up with your account, so you can use your email or you can do that with your Google account. So I will go with the Google account here, so I will click on it and choose my email here, click on confirm, and then you may get this kind of prompt. Line art colorize feature has been added to your toolbox, so you have to click on OK. Bingo. And finally, you will be getting this kind of dashboard here with lots of AI generated images. These are kind of your templates which are being generated by different users on this Piclumen platform. Alright, now here on the left hand side, you find the explore option and the create option. We will discuss on both of them. So first, let's start with the explore. And once you come on this page on the dashboard, you will explore all these kind of images, AI images, which you can also view according to the category wise, like the hot categories, latest, and the likes one. Even you can have a search here in case if you are searching for any particular kind of template of the images. Okay, so let's say if I like this kind of image here, I like this template and I want to have a look about the prompt here. So what I can do, I can copy the prompt here, and then from the left hand side I have to click on create here. Now it will ask you what do you want to draw, and I can paste the same prompt here. Now if you want to make any kind of changes, then you can do that. Like I will be adding some people in the ground here on the earth, where you saw that the train was floating in the sky, in the air. So somewhere I will add here people watching the clouds. Okay, and now let's click on generate here. And bingo, so now you can see it generated a new image here that looks very similar, and we got a unique image. And at the bottom, at the ground, we can see some people watching on the top here, so that looks very realistic and very natural. So this is the first method where you can use the different images from the explore option. But if you want to create any image from your own self, you have your own prompt, then you will have to click on create, and then you have to type your prompt here. Now before writing here, we have some more option at the top, like you can choose a different model, and if you click on the drop down, it gives you the Piclumen Anime V2, Piclumen Line Art, Flux, and then on the right hand side you have the aspect ratio option, where you can choose the shape, you can choose what kind of resolution you need, and then at the bottom it asks you how many images you want to generate. Now the maximum image you choose, the maximum time it may take to create the images here. As of now, I will go only with the 2 images here. I will select it. And now let me give here a very simple prompt so that we can easily create some images here. So I will type here, create a realistic image of a beautiful and bold girl standing in front of the sports car in the event. Alright, so that's a very simple prompt here that I have given. But if you want to modify it, because it all depends on what kind of prompt you give. Now once you have given the prompt, you will have to click on generate here, and it will start creating and generating the image for you. So you will have to wait until it's all been done, and make sure that you do not refresh the page and do not close the page. Alright, so it didn't took a long time here, and now you can see that we have an amazing image of a girl here standing in front of the sports car. That's exactly what the prompt we have given. So once the image has been generated, now you can directly download from here. You can remix it. You can even remove the background. So that's another useful feature, that from here only you can remove the background if you want to add something new in the background. You can upscale it. If you want to enhance it, then you can also do that. You can inpaint it, expand it, colorize it, and even delete it. So let's see, if you want to colorize it, you need some more color on it, whatever you want to, then you have to give your prompt here. Like I will give a prompt here, change the color of girl dress to purple, and click on submit. And here we go. So now you can see the prompt has been changed, and this time we have the purple dress, and even it changed the background as well. So that's okay. That will all depend on how exactly and how smartly you give the prompt here to change the color or do anything. Okay, and this is the second image that it generated. All right, now let's create a few more images here, and this one will be related to my work that I use for my videos. So let's say I will be generating this for my computer stuff, like showing any kind of demographics or showing any kind of presentation. So let's make it very simple. I don't know what it will generate, but I'm just showing you that how exactly it works and how best it can work for giving any kind of prompt. Okay, so again I will click on generate here. All right, bingo. Now you can see that you have a demograph here. Now why exactly I'm showing you this kind of work here instead of the artwork? Because many of the creators, they also need these kind of information and a unique images. So you can have a look here in these images, and you can use them in your videos to show any kind of demographics or show any kind of presentation. All depend on you, that what exactly you have the requirement. Okay, now let's do one and last thing. I will change the model here and type another prompt. Create a painting of Mr. President who became the Superman and flying in the sky. Now trust me guys, I'm just giving this example that is suddenly coming in my mind. Okay, so you better choose the better prompt and give the right prompt so that you should have the best result here. Okay, now once you have chosen, on the right hand side there are a few more options, like you can choose the language, you can manage the negative prompt here, the CFG scale option, and it says control how strongly your prompt influence the generated image. So whatever negative prompt you give, you can manage here that how strongly it should work. Okay, I don't have to do that right now, but you have all these options to enjoy and absolutely free, so you can enjoy them and click on generate. And excellent. Now you can see we have two different images according to the prompt we have given here. Now in case if you want to replace the face of any particular character or with your own image, then you also have the image option here. You have to click on it and upload your own image that you want to use in the image. And once you will done, you will have an amazing anime style image generated here. So you can see that how fantastic it works for absolutely free. You just have to give your prompt and all the game will be done automatically and without any kind of problem. So visit their website and start generating your favorite artwork using this free AI image generator. And make sure that you also hit the like and subscribe for my channel to get more related videos in the future. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.